Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we'll be making spicy and tasty chicken majestic. This is one of the best chicken starters you will ever taste. With juicy chicken center and spicy outer crust, it is everything you need in this monsoons. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Do share this video with your family and friends. To make chicken majestic, here I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken that are cut into thin and long stripes. To this, add in 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Crack an egg into the chicken. There is no substitute for egg in this recipe. Now I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix everything well. After coating the chicken well with the masala, now add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. We'll have to marinate this chicken in the masalas for at least half an hour. Keep this in the fridge if you can. If you have more time at hand, leave this in the fridge for 2 hours. After marinating the chicken for half an hour, now I am deep frying the chicken. To deep fry the chicken, in a saucepan I have heated oil, and into the hot oil I am dropping the chicken pieces one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan, drop the pieces one by one at a time. Fry the chicken on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Do not disturb the chicken pieces for the first 1 minute. After 3 minutes, remove the chicken pieces from the oil. Place them in a strainer or on a tissue paper to drain off the excess oil. Fry the rest of the chicken pieces in the same way. I have fried this 250 grams of chicken in 2 batches. Depending on the size of your pan, you can fry them in a single batch or like I did in 2 batches or even 3 batches, as you wish. Do not fry the chicken for more than 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. The oil should be hot when you are dropping the chicken pieces into the oil. Do not disturb the chicken pieces for 1 minute. Drain them off after 3 to 4 minutes of frying. So I have fried all the chicken pieces now. I have placed a frying pan on the stove. I am taking 2.5 tablespoons of oil into the frying pan. Now we are preparing the tempering for the chicken. The flame is on high at this point. I have added 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 5 to 6 green chillies slit lengthwise, 10 to 15 curry leaves. Fry them on high flame for a minute. After a minute, I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder to the tempering. Mix everything well. At this point, lower the flame to medium. Do not burn off the masala powders. After a minute, I am adding 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix well. Keep the flame on medium, and when the curd is mixed well into the tempering, add in 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. I have used dark soya sauce. Mix everything well. Keep the flame on medium and cook for not more than a minute. Now when you see the sauce boiling, add in 2 to 3 pinches of salt or as per taste. Be careful with the salt as soya sauce already has salt in it. Add little salt, mix well, and now add in the fried chicken pieces. Coat the chicken pieces well with the tempering. After cooking the chicken pieces in the tempering for 2 minutes, add in some finely chopped coriander leaves and finely chopped mint leaves to the pan and cook on medium flame for 1 minute more. Mix everything well. After a minute, remove from flame and serve hot. This dish is best enjoyed when served hot. Do try this at home and let me know how it goes for you. I'm sure all the chicken lovers will love this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.